Ever feel like you're constantly playing catch up at work? What if I told you that you got skills your coworkers can only dream of? Yeah, I'm serious. Today I'm breaking down 3 hidden advantages that make dyslexics an absolute powerhouse in the workplace. Welcome to Dyslexic Achievers Hub. I'm William Blake, and I'm here to help you turn your dyslexia into your greatest asset. If you're ready to stop focusing on challenges and start thriving, hit the subscribe button right now and let's get into it. Advantage 1, big picture thinking. You know how most people get stuck in the weeds, sweating the small details? Not you. Dyslexics are wired to see the big picture. We can connect the dots that other people don't even know exist. This makes you a natural strategist, innovator, and great at problem solving. Just think about it. People like Richard Branson and Steve Jobs, they weren't detailed people, they were visionaries. And they are just like you, so lean into your dyslexia. If you're in a meeting, be the one who asks, how does this all fit together? That's your superpower. Advantage 2, creativity and problem solving. Here's the deal. Standard solutions don't cut it anymore. The world needs more creative thinkers and dyslexics because we've got creativity on lock. While everyone else is stuck with plan A, you've already come up with plan B, C, and D. And that's a game changer in the workplace. For me, I once had a job where the team couldn't figure out how to streamline this super messy process. Everyone was stuck. And I suggested a workaround around it that was obvious to me, but when they implemented it not just where I was at, but across the entire department. So next time you're problem solving, don't hold back your ideas. Speak up. They're your gold mine. Advantage 3, resilience under pressure. Let's be real here. Life hasn't been easy for us. Growing up dyslexic means that we face challenges head on every single day. And guess what? That built resilience, something that most people struggle with. At work, when the pressure's on and other people are cracking, we're calm, we're collected, and we're focused. You've been through the worst and you know how to handle setbacks. Here's the tip. When you're in a tough spot, don't just power through. Make sure your boss and your teammates see how well you handle it. That's leadership material, and it's a skill that can take your career to the next level. So what's one advantage you've noticed about being dyslexic at work? I want to hear about it. Drop it in the comments below. And if you're ready for more tips to thrive with dyslexia, hit that subscribe button. I got your back and can't wait to see you win.